ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವರಿಸಿರುವ ಅಂಶಗಳ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಭೂಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ನಿಗಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನಗೊಳಿಸಿರುವ ಗಂಗಾ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಯೋಜನೆ, ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಯೋಜನೆ, ಭೂ ಒಡೆತನ ಯೋಜನೆ, ಐರಾವತ ಯೋಜನೆ ಹಾಗೂ ನಿಗಮದ ಇತರ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಣ ದುರುಪಯೋಗವಾಗಿರುವ ಕುರಿತು ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡ ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಗ್ರ ತನಿಖೆಗಾಗಿ ಸಿಐಡಿ. Plus, none of this ಯೋಜನೆs have been investigated till today. Now, if the CID were to place one single document that they have investigated all these programs.
No. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೋವಿ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದು. Page number. That is the reason why the government appointed CID to investigate all these schemes. Really, crime number 56 and crime number 7, which my friend is now arguing, both are not there.
Crime number 56 yardu?
Crime number 56 was registered in Siddhapura police station.
All right.
Crime number 7 was registered in Dodbalapur by the beneficiaries.
56 2024 alla?
Please, Manoj.
Page number, sir. Page number.
328.
338. 328.
Constitution of Annexure AQ alva?
Out, sir.
Copy kudi avrige.
What is it?
Alladene ilvantalla.
328 is an order.
Well, crime number 56 and crime number 7 was not there. Well, none of the investigation was going on in this respective ಯೋಜನೆs. Only 3 officials, one Nagarajappa, one Leelavati, Subbappa has been targeted. And kindly see, which is the year which it is to be considered. I was posted to Bovi Corporation on 5/4/2021.
5/4/2021. All right.
Plus, if my lords were to kindly take Annexure C, page number 59. There was an initial complaint by one Narayan Swami.
You were posted as what?
General manager.
You are a government servant.
Please.
All right. You are a politician posted or a government servant?
Government servant.
Yes.
Grade 1. 8/3/2021, one Narayan Swami files a complaint stating that there's in 2018-19, may I read that first paramelos, page number 59. ದೂರು ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಾರಾಂಶ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ.ಆರ್. ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ನಿಗಮದ ನಿಯಮಿತ ಹಾಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ
ಇದೇ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲ 17A ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇ.
I had granted stay.
There are 6 FIRs registered against this. 3 by ACB and 3 by CID.
ACB?
Earlier ACB, now Lokayukta, where no sanctions have been granted.
No, all on Bovi Corporation.
All on Bovi Corporation, same allegations. Right. That is why all the 6 FIRs have made party to this proceedings. There was a complaint initially by one Narayan Swami, even before I was posted there, that there was an allegation in 2018-19. When I took charge, my lords, if my lords were to kindly take page number 63. My lords, if my lords were to kindly take Annexure 65, my lords. I myself filed a complaint before the Honorable CM. That there is Honorable CM through proper course on 21/11/2021. Even before this, all this complaints.
When did you take charge?
5/4/2021.
All right.
I myself files a complaint through proper channel on 21/11/2021.
Against whom?
Against the allegations. I don't mention that there are allegations.
So large scale misappropriation in Bovi Corporation was highlighted by you.
By first highlight because highlighted that incident, I have been made a scapegoat. Because
that's your submission.
That is my submission. 1. If my lords were to kindly take page number 66. Each and every details, my lords, para 3, 2019. Page number 65 in the para 3 and para 4, if my lords were to kindly see, para 7. All the allegations which have been taken, and I have appended all the documents which have been appended in this petition to the complaint filed by to the Honorable CM. Based on which, my lords, I have been.
So you have questioned all the 5 FIRs here?
No, yes. All the 5, if my lords.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Some are done by.
What is the outcome of these investigations?
Some are done by Lokayukta. Some are done by CID.
All right.
He made a Lokayukta also the party.
No, which are the investigations now conducted by the CID?
Well, they are only conducting crime number 7 and crime number 56.
Crime number 7 and 56.
Please.
Crime number 7 and 56, the ಇದೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Let's see, my lords,
Page.
kindly. Let's, page
They
number
place this table, my lord. I
216,
made a table.
ಕೊಡಿ.
page number 216. Plus, if these, both the complaints were to be added, my lords, they say that 100 crores, 150 crores. If this, both the complaints, my lords, beneficiaries are not more than 30. 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನೀವು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರು 3 ಕೋಟಿ ದಾಟಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Same allegations.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೋಗಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬೋವಿ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
ಬೋಗಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ.
ಯಾವ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್? ಯಾವ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತು ನಿಮಗೆ?
ನಮಗ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಇಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು?
Plus, if my lords,
ಈಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
whatever the list was given.
What is the list total?
Let's, the sanction list, we have not produced it.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Nobody.
Huh?
Nobody.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡು, ಬಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
What they do, my lord, the entire list, entire document in Bowie Corporation has been destroyed.
ಏನು ಇಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. They file a complaint saying that documents have been destroyed.
Who has filed the complaint?
Corporation only.
Now, ಆಯ್ತು,
And
ಎಷ್ಟು?
we have traced all these things by looking into the bank records.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು?
It is,
Kindly see, my lords.
Let me understand the magnitude of the scam.
ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ, ಗಂಗಾ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಯೋಜನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಆಚೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
in Dodballapur, about 11 crores, 200 plus people money.
200 plus people ಬೋವಿ ಜನಾಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದವರು 200 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
11 plus crores is the
So
amount.
11
One crime.
crores
In one crime.
in 11 crores is one crime. ಒಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. Not a pie has gone to any person.
I am sorry. All the amount have been deposited to the beneficiaries. All the amount has been deposited to the beneficiaries account.
Each of the beneficiaries.
Please.
In the list given by the government.
Yes. They say that from beneficiary we have manipulated. All the amount.
Beneficiary itself you have manipulated.
Beneficiaries ಹತ್ರ ನಾವು ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ.
What they
All
do,
the amount has gone to the beneficiaries.
So what, according to you, what was the modus operandi?
what they do, my lord, modus operandi is this. Get the person's name, identify.
No, get the person's name andre who gets it?
There is a team working.
All right. Now
working
he
with-
says names have come from the government.
It's not come from the government. In fact, I'll
Let them
take those
produce the
I'll take
beneficiary
those
list,
documents
my lord.
also, my lord, where you're relying on a government document. Names are taken, signatures have been taken. The letter has been given to the bank saying that open bank account in these beneficiaries' names and give all the document back to us, including checkbook.
Then you may have to file on comprehensive note.
I'll place that.
ಜೀವನ್ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ.
I'll put it.
Subsequent-
ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರದ್ದು ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ and how and where is the list that the government sends you pay to these beneficiaries?
Please.
And you should show that the amount has gone to those beneficiaries.
Plus complaint itself says that ನನ್ನ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ BK ನಾಗರಾಜಪ್ಪ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ
Let them produce one single document that 1 rupee has come from Bowie Corporation. Or from any of the beneficiaries. From any of the beneficiaries, direct to my account. If they were to establish my lords, I'll withdraw this case.
No, it's not gone to his account. It's gone to the enterpriser's account. Enterpriser's account accounts, all the money has gone to the enterpriser's account. Enterprisers are the people who are along with him and then managing the entire business.
they are also accused.
They are also accused. And the enterprisers houses are in the houses of BK Nagarajappa.
Plus,
Houses are
Enterprisers, their residence addresses are.
ಎಲ್ಲ this man said.
earlier IO ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದನದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಈಗ IO ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, IO ಬೇರೆ IO ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಹೋದಾಗ they found the enterprises there. Then if they were to make that statement,
In fact, my lord, subsequent to- that's why I made a
let the IO make a
No,
statement
Jeevan Kumar.
by way of an affidavit.
The Bowie Corporation is for a particular purpose.
Please.
The beneficiaries identified are poor people where they should get money.
Please.
All right, 5 lakhs per person is
per
what
person.
is there. ಅದನ್ನ ನುಂಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
biggest sin ಅದು.
if all the complaints were to be read, the
Money
beneficiaries
that should go to a poor man if
plus
you swindle it.
beneficiaries,
Allegation.
I'll beneficiaries submits that all the amounts have come to their account. To conduct a business, they had entered into an agreement with the enterprise.
What business?
Plus,
Construction.
there was an,
ಈಗ ದುಡ್ಡು
this-
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ
ಈ scheme ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಗಾ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಯೋಜನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು?
borewell ಗೆ.
ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಗೆ.
ಅದನ್ನ
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
ಅದು ಇವತ್ತವರೆಗೂ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಗ್
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂದ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ 56 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಯಾವ
ವಾಟ್ ಮೈ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್
ಬಡವರಿಗೆ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಗೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು.
Mulaj, if that were to be allegation, Mulaj,
What
I have now, we
what
have
bigger sin can one
crime number 56 and crime number 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎರಡೇ ಇರೋದು. ಅಂಗಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಅಂಗಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಗೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. There is an agreement.
ಜಗದೀಶ್,
Yes, madam.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹ್ಯಾಪಜಾರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾಕೆ why this half-hearted
Let
investigation?
them produce one record with.
One
In the cases of these poor, what is the total?
one investigation officer was suspended.
Allah,
Second
what is
investigation
the
officer-
total amount now would had to go to a poor man is now swindled, allegedly swindled?
More than 80 plus.
80 crores.
ಐರಾವತ ಯೋಜನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ,
ಐರಾವತ.
ಐರಾವತ ಯೋಜನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಲಾ ಊಬರ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. There where we are not a party, we have given a complaint. ರಾಯಚೂರ್ಗೆ ಓಲಾ ಊಬರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ we investigated.
So if your apprehension is that, Jagdish,
Yes, madam.
that many other heads will roll ಅಂತ shoddy investigation
No,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
it is not.
ತಪ್ಪದು.
In fact, my lord, your lordship may request your lordship to see two documents of this petition, my lord. Page 377. Page 377.
Now, according to you, this is 80 plus crores that is taken away.
Yes. Page 377, my lord, is a notification which is,
If that order were to be read 378 Mulaj.
All right.
2018-19 ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಿರೋದು. ಅವ್ರು ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿರೋದೇ 2021 ಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, the GO,
ಇದು government order ಇದು.
government order. There is no such government order.
No government order.
No government order.
Let's let them file.
No government order in existence.
Kindly see page
ಇದ್ರ
number.
ಪ್ರಕಾರ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.
This is the government order which my learned friend has clients has manufactured.
Kindly see
They
page
place
number.
the-
Mulaj, kindly
They
see.
place the government order in which the signatures have been extracted.
ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Your lordship may see the signatures in
No,
the.
you mean to say on the basis of a forged government order, these amounts
Yes.
are transferred?
Yes.
No.
And I'll also show how the file notings, my lord, is also fake file notings. Your lordship may see the signature in this government order,
Huh.
and your lordship match the signatures found in this GO.
ಅಲ್ಲ, government order ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಇದೆ.
Government order ಬೇರೆ, signatures have been taken from this GO. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 22/1/2021 ಇದೆ. Now the 22/1 has made it 22/2. And signature is taken from this GO.
So now, according to you, on the basis of this forged GO, 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs ಸಹಾಯಧನ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಅಂತ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ವಿ.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
ಬಟ್ ಈ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅದೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
There is no government order. There is no such government order. In fact, this government order also nothing to do with this one. But this signatures of this government order is copied from this government order.
Date is
Lordship may verify the signatures, my lord. It's on.
that I see, yes.
And even number 2, number 1, if I show in my iPad, my lord, it's visible. How number 1 has been.
ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ.
And
Let's see.
and second, my lord, the one file notings which my learned friend has produced. That file notings, my lord, is also fully is a fake one.
Page ಯಾವ್ದು ಜೀವನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್?
Page, my lord, is 68 in the page 68, man.
File noting.
Yes. 68, 69.
ಇದು not from the original record?
No, there is no such. In fact, what he has done, my lord, your lordship may see 70 and 71. He has copied the 71 file and printed the text in 70 to make it appear that this file has gone all the way to get approval from the chief minister.
There is no approval of the chief minister?
There is no, this file has not gone in this manner
Where are the
Text.
original, where are the original records?
That original also been destroyed. Unfortunately, my lord, there was a records was, photocopy was found. And I'll place this photocopy, my lord, your lordship may see how, the signatures have been, this is the,
These documents were produced before the CM itself, not for the first time. And if my lords have to kindly see,
and all the
and it is
signatures, my
all
lord, in
attested
fact,
by the managing
the
director.
attested signatures which is making as the, one of the Leelavati signature, it is also fake, it is not a Leelavati signature.
So yeah, page number.
Who is Leelavati?
Leelavati is also
Managing
one of the
director.
accused, managing director.
Oh, she is the managing
He
director.
is the managing director. He makes it as if attestation, the document is obtained through her. And then,
ಲೀಲಾವತಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗೋದು ಇವರ ಅದು ಸ್ಟೇ ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Page number 68, my lords, I have produced it before Honorable CM in the year 2021 and not today for the first time, my
in
lords.
fact, your lordship may see all the government files, my lord, each para has a number.
Correct.
Your lordship may see how this page 70 has been numbered. Page 70, my lord. First para is point number 1, second para is point number 2. Then there is no paras because then they have to match the. And in fact, your lordship may say page 70 at the bottom.
ಈಗ 3 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
3 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ signature.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ
ಅದನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್
signature.
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ these texts have been printed. Even this file which my learned friend relies on, saying that this is how that has been done. And in fact, my lord, why investigation did not take place was one of this reason. And we were looking based on this document. And then we came to know this document itself is fake.
So there is no chief minister's
There is no
signature, there is no file notings of the chief minister, nothing.
Nothing.
They have a copy, my lords. Let them send it to forensic and get it.
We will send it. That is
We
why
have
my lord,
produced it before
that is-
producing.
That's investigate ಕಳ್ಸಿಲ್ವಾ ಇನ್ನು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, this
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ
ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, original documents is not available. Original documents, they claim that it is.
Where is the complaint or whatever the documents are destroyed or the documents
It is,
ಇಲ್ಲ
I
ಅಂತ?
think my learned friend also placed that in this petition.
It has been, charge sheet has been filed, my lords.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
Page number 205.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
It is against FDM. Charge sheet has also been filed. Page number 206.
Against whom is this?
PD Subappa.
He has destroyed ಅಂತ.
He has destroyed.
You have
He
examined
is
him?
also an accused.
He is also an
Also
accused.
Because only we three have made,
Accused against other accused.
we three have been made accused, not from 2018-19. None of them have been examined till today.
No, when
If
we
the
have come-
allegation were to be from
This is the document
2018, my
which
lord.
we have come to know. But reason why I'm asking modification of this, I'm not insisting with respect to other petitioners. But this petitioner, my lord, the lordship, the protective order has to be vacated. There's a reason that the document which he has appended to this court are fake.
First, let him file an affidavit, my lords. I'll reply
I'm
to it.
placing it, I've placed the document, my lordship. So this on
By
plain
o-
reading,
Oral submission, my lords, I cannot even reply.
We'll file, get an affidavit filed, no problem.
Let him file, I'll also file an affidavit, my lords. Let there be an inquiry.
You and produce
If IO
the-
is to be wrong, my lords, he will also be prosecuted.
Who?
If IO makes a false submission that these were never there, without obtaining any documents from the government, my lords,
we have obtained, in fact, we have recorded a statement.
Investigation papers.
I'll place, in fact, we have recorded the statement of the person who signed this GO, whose signatures have been now extracted and placed here. We have recorded statements of all those people which confirms that all these documents are fake.
All right.
It is not that, not recorded. It's already been done.
ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಹಾಕಿ. Either 2023 that this is going on, one after the other, FIRs have been registered.
Then complete. We'll pass an order to complete the investigation and file your final report, whatever it is.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And for the purpose of investigation, whatever you want to,
Yes.
they will cooperate.
Yes, ma'am.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ what?
ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿದೀವಿ ಅವ್ರು
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ we will direct them to.
ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿ ದಿವಸ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ, ನಾವು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡೋರು ನೀವು ಬರಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಆಚೆ ಕಳ್ಸೋದು.
We want a custodial interrogation. We don't want them. We send them
Whatever.
back.
In law, whatever you want
Yes.
to do, I will close these
Kindly see,
petitions.
my lords, they say that all the documents have been destroyed. Kindly see page number 371. There's one more FIR registered in 2024
Against whom?
against us, based on some audit report where there is no original documents at all.
That we'll see. Those are all matters pending in
Pending.
investigation. Let the investigation go on.
Plus, we have not
You
objected to any.
cooperate with the investigation. we'll close this and permit you to approach the court once final report is filed. That's the best way, because these are all seriously disputed facts. It is better they file a final report, whether it is B report or
we are
charge sheet. Yes,
because if they file,
Will complete in next 2 months, 2 to 3 months. In fact, auditing report is also been done.
whatever,
Investigation has been.
complete the investigation in all the crimes and file your final report. Yes.
we will cooperate, my lords. Let there not be a custodial interrogation.
No, no,
That they will ask before the concerned court, you seek permission or whatever it is. This I will
Anyway,
close.
it's not on-
2023 registered, my lords, we are in 2025. Till now, no investigation report has
No,
been
no,
filed.
investigation, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 years ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Now you
ಇವಾಗ
file
ನೋಡಿ
your-
ನಾನು ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಗೇಷನ್
ನಾವು-
ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೇಪ್.
No, that order I cannot pass here. You seek whatever you want to seek from the, I will
Your Lordship,
dispose these
yes,
petitions.
my lord, yes.
You seek whatever order you want before the concerned court, they will defend it.
Anyway, it's not on bail, we can
Hello,
take.
whatever it is.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem.
Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್.
No, till you approach the, they will see, I cannot say custodial interrogation ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. They will have to seek it before the concerned court.
ಈಗ ಅವರೇ
They will seek it.
ಬೇಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we were protected by these orders
What orders are here?
not to take any precipitative action. Same orders which my lords had passed. And
So if they are wanting custodial interrogation, how can I say no? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ let it be concerned, let it be. I will permit you to do that. Till then, these orders will continue ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
please,
Till the concerned court takes up the issue.
Bail issue. They want to approach the bail court, ma'am.
Oh, whatever,
Yes.
bail court or you want custodial interrogation, whatever it is.
Lordship may fix up time, maybe 2 weeks, my lord, and after that,
Not even 2 weeks, I will grant 10 days time for him to approach whatever is.
Fine.
maybe 2 weeks, my lord. Yeah.
10 days and 2 weeks.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಆಯ್ತು, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes. The petitioners in all these cases are said to be accused in different crimes, in crime, prayer ಇದೆ ಏನು ವಿಜಯ್? In different crimes, all for offences punishable under section 406, 420, 149 and allied offences of the IPC. The crux of the issue, the fulcrum of the allegation against these
one
petitioners.
submission ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ACB ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ because there is no sanction.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ?
ACB ಕೇಸಸ್
Which is that ACB? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನನ್ ಮುಂದೆ?
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ FIRs ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ which are before CO CID ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
Which are before CID.
Yes.
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಅದು ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಅದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ. Yes, so and so. Against ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ. The gravamen of the allegations against these petitioners, the accused in different crimes, is certain misappropriation of funds belonging to the Bowie Corporation. According to the learned counsel for the petitioner, it is the petitioner who has flagged the issues before the chief minister initially on 21/11/2021 itself, and therefore he has been made a scapegoat in all these proceedings. The learned additional advocate general, learned additional SPP, special public prosecutor B.N. Jagdish, would, by taking this court through the documents appended to the petition, would submit that certain documents produced with particular reference to a government order, pursuant to which all the funds are released and close to 80 crores of amount that should belong to every person belonging to Bowie community is swindled by the accused. This is the allegation. The investigation is on, and this court and the coordinate benches of this court had granted certain protective orders not to take any coercive steps against these petitioners in the garb of investigation. On hearing these petitions or the submissions of the respective parties, particularly in cases where the investigation is conducted by the CID, it is shrouded with seriously disputed questions of fact. Therefore, investigation would undoubtedly become necessary. Investigation was permitted. The learned special public prosecutor submits that the investigation is at the concluding stage, and the petitioner, one B.K. Nagarajappa, should be petitioner in 35068 of 2024, Dr. B.K. Nagarajappa is required for custodial interrogation, and it's only then the investigation would get complete. The necessity of custodial interrogation or otherwise is always open for the prosecution to take action in accordance with law. In the light of the necessity of investigation getting completed and a final report to be filed before the concerned court, I deem it appropriate to direct the prosecution in cases where investigation is conducted by the CID to conclude the investigation within
3 months.
So to conclude the investigation, the learned special public prosecutor would submit that is 3 months time. If 3 months time is granted, the investigation would be complete and the final report would be filed before the concerned court. In the light of the issue projecting huge magnitude of misappropriation of funds to the tune of 80 crores, I deem it appropriate to direct the prosecution to complete the investigation and file its final report before the concerned court. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that till the petitioners were under the protective orders passed by the coordinate benches of this court and this court as well, and that should be continued till they secure bail from the hands of the concerned court. In the light of these protective orders, I deem it appropriate to, in the light of the protective orders subsisting, I deem it appropriate to continue the same for a period of 2 weeks from today
Of receipt,
10 days.
from date of receipt of the copy.
No,
10 days from the date of receipt of the copy of the order for the petitioners to seek appropriate relief/bail or otherwise before the competent court, before the concerned competent court. The interim protection would continue to a maximum of 10 days from the date of receipt of the copy of from the date the copy is web hosted. It is made clear merely because this court has rendered the protective orders, it would not mean that the concerned court is bound by the protective orders. It would operate only to enable the petitioners to approach the concerned court seeking appropriate orders. Yes. With the aforesaid observations, the petitions stand disposed.
In fact, one example, my lord, how money has been traveled. Your
ಅಲ್ಲ,
lordship, see
ಅದು
Your lordship-
ಬರತ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬಿಡಿ. Yes.
because your lordship, you see this one document, my lord, how
ಕೊಡಿ.
madam,
ಏನ್ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ
ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳೆ ಐಒ ಡೆತ್ ನೋಟ್ ನೇ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಜೆರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
Your lordship, the
When
first
IO
page,
can manipulate the investigation, my lords, and she can file in her bail applications all this documents.
ದಿ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಡವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ 80 ಕೋಟಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ನಾವು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
ಅವರು ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರನ್ನ ಉಳ್ಸಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಕೇಪ್
ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ವುಡ್ ರೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್. ಎಸ್.
in fact, your lordship may see this, the manner in which agreements have been entered, and then initially, my lord, is that total amount was that. Amount was paid 2 times, and subsequently, the same property was sold at, and all this money has gone from these enterprises account.
1 ಕೋಟಿ 50 ಲಕ್ಷ, 1 ಕೋಟಿ 50 ಲಕ್ಷ.
ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಫೈನಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ 1 crore.
ಅದೇ 65 crores on the 40 crores. Anyway,
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಏನು ಅಂತ.
ಬರ್ಲಿ. Yes.
Great.
We are not aware, but the IO in her bail petition can produce a death note which was not even in existence. ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಡೆತ್ ನೋಟ್?
ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ
ಕನಕಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಕೇಸ್. ಸರಿ.
She has produced in her bail application Xerox copy of the death note.
ಹೂ?
ಕನಕಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ
ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ಈಗ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಡೆತ್ ನೋಟ್ ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರ ನಮ್ಮ
ಏನ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, 90 ದಿನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟಿವ್, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನಕ್ಷರ.
ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಇವ್ರು ನಮಗ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಪೀಸ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್.
If that is the case, we'll also look into that also.
And death note,
Whatever.
my lords, the trial court
Our
has
case
observed.
and file a memo in
I'll
that.
file a memo.
Do, yes. All these matters
In
disposed.
that case, my lords, there's one apprehension. SIT, it appears that SIT is not signing the charge sheet.
Why?
If SIT doesn't sign the charge sheet,
No,
my
no,
lords,
I have no government notification and my order is that they are officers in
because
charge of
that
police
is what
station.
the apprehension now, that
No,
SIT
no, no.
officers are not signing
This
the
would
charge
come up in future anta adike ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ.
In fact, I sent a notification draft also to government there.
sheet. It was a submission before the trial court, that is why I
All
made
right,
the submission.
In fact, they suggested that can we give the file back to the local police station and file it. I said no need because government.
No,
anyway
no,
will-
government, I have government order ಇದೆ and I have myself
And
directed.
if
to do
SIT doesn't sign the charge sheet, my lords, the officer who has been investigated, chief investigator, is of also rank of DYSP. And DYSP investigating under DYSP, they would be.
ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅದೇ ಕನಕಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಕೇಸ್
ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಕಮಿಟಿಲಿ ಯಾರು ಡಿವೈಎಸ್ಪಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Lordship has permitted my lord the chief investigation.
I have only said that he should file the
if-
charge sheet.
SIT members are not signing the charge sheet.
Good. We'll see what has happened. Why is it not signing?
No, because a chief investigation officer is signing it.
ಸಾಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು?
I don't understand. My learned friend should be happy with the investigation, the manner investigation is.
We are happy with the investigation. The problem is tomorrow there should not be a technical issue.
What is,
ಆ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ you should be.
Tomorrow that should not be a technical
No, no,
issue.
that's all right. We'll take care of it.
Even
ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ
in fact-
ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Yes. Yes, next.